Welcome. In this video, we'll understand the circular singly linked list, okay, and then how to insert in different types of insertions in circular singly linked list. The idea is simple. You already seen singly list. So there, the last node go on having a list like this, and then the last node will point to null. Circular means instead of pointing to null, it will point to the first node, that is my head. So this makes a circle here. So it's called circular singly linked list. So it starts with a head, then goes on the last one. Instead of pointing to null, it will point to the head. So node never points to null. The only thing when you insert or delete, you should be careful that you will not be using any null here, because there is the end of the linked list is not given by null. So head still marks the starting point for traversal. We'll start with the head. So now we'll see how to insert at the head. Okay. So resuming a circular list, singly list. Can also be doubly linked list, circular doubly linked list. So in this study, you only see singly linked list, circular singly linked list. So insert at head. So first, as usual, if head is null, so what should I do? So that will the new node will become my head node. So first you create a node. New is equal to create node, and then pass a x is the value I want to store in the data. Next, so if my head is equal to null, so initially it will be null. The only case when you can see null, then this new node becomes the head. So it is like now head point to this new node. Okay. So now some pointer adjustments I have to make. What is that? The first head should point to new. So head will be equal to new. Now what will be this new dot next? New dot next should point to same new only. So you set new dot next to point to new or head, both are same. So this will create a circular singly linked list for one node. Now if you assume now there are many nodes, okay, more than one node, at least one node. So in this case I want to insert at the head. So it goes on like this, and then the last node will be pointing to my head. So this is my head. So insertion at the head means what? I have to insert a new node here, okay, and then this head should point to this, and this pointer should also change, because this has to point to now new head. Insertion at the head. Okay. So for that what? So I have to definitely trace till the last node or tail, because the tail pointer is not given. Because to adjust the pointer here, I have to traverse to this node. Otherwise, I cannot insert this or create this link. So let us take current equal to head, and then till what point I have to traverse. While current dot next will be head, no? Current dot next will be head. When current comes to this last node, current dot next will be pointing to head initially, right? This one, that is the pointer, original pointer we have. So till that point you traverse. Current dot next is not equal to head here, because there is nothing like null. So that will take me the pointer to last node. Okay, so inside that what should we do? Current equal to current dot next. Now so once I reach the last node, then I have to do only the pointer adjustments now. So what is the pointer adjustment I have to do? So let us say I have this new node already created, some x value new, and then there was the original head. Now then there was a linked list, and then we traverse to the last node. Okay, so initially this last node is pointing to this head. So this call it as our current. Then this is current dot next is pointing to head. So what should I do now? So this now has to point to the new. Okay, and then new next dot next should point to 10 here, this one, and then this has to point to now new. So only make those changes. So set new dot next should contain head. Okay. And then current dot next should be pointed to new, and then the new becomes new head. Okay, so all three changes we have done. Then you return the head. So this is the algorithm to insert at the head position in a circular linked list. Now what is the time complexity of this algorithm? Okay, so I am running a while loop here till it becomes the current dot next becomes head, means that means at most n traversals I am doing. There are n nodes. Okay, so n search operations or traversals you can say. So that is order of n. So can we make it better? See, this can be done better if I have something called as both head and tail pointer. Tail pointer will be pointing to the last node. Okay, you have circular linked list. This is the last node, and then this is pointing to my head. This is my head. So if I have a pointer called tail, okay, so in that case I need not traverse it, right? I can just manipulate for inserting a new node at the head. What can I do? The new node will become, so the tail dot next, I can put it as new. Then new dot next is equal to head. Okay, so there is new here. I want to insert. So this pointer you point it to new, and then point this here, and then make this as head. That's it. Head equal to new. So it doesn't take a loop for traversal. This can be done in theta of 1 if tail pointer is given. That is the difference. Next. I'm inserting at tail. See, it is same as inserting at head. Only difference is the head pointer will not change. The algorithm will remain same. Only this line will not be there, because if you see insert at tail, so anyhow inserting at head also I am inserting it as the last one and then changing the head pointer. Insert at tail, okay, is same as inserting at head, except the head pointer will not change. Okay, so this was the case. So here is pointing to head initially. Now what is that? This I am inserting, instead of here I am inserting here. Okay, so what is the change? So this one current, when I go to current will point to this one only. Previously also it was pointing to the same one. Okay, new inside the head. So it is also same as inserting at head, but only this will not change. Only will point to the original head. Okay. So the rest of the parts remain same. So let us create a new equal to create node x if head is equal to null. Then you just insert it as a first node. So head will be equal to new, and then you can write it as head dot next should point to head only. So circular. Else you traverse to the last node. Current equal to, let's say, head, then while current dot next is not equal to head. That means go till the last node, this last node. Okay, so current equal to current dot next. Now again same thing, insert the new node. So current dot next should point to, should get the new node. Then new dot next should point to the head, right? Because new is the next node. So this new will point to head, and then current dot next will point to new. So that's it. Only thing is I'm not reassigning the head here. So here if you see the last step, new dot next equal to head, current dot next equal to new. You have done the same thing here. Okay. But this I'm not reassigning the head to new because it is treating it as last element, tail. So that is the difference. So again this takes theta of n time. Okay, if there are n nodes. But if I have a tail pointer, same as that previous case. If I have a tail pointer, then I can directly insert at the tail. Just tail dot next will be equal to new, and need not traverse to current. Then new dot next will point to head. That's it. Only two lines. So it is theta of 1. Now inserting at a given position. Let's say insert at given position. So I will pass my value and then say position where to insert. So now I have to check all the cases. First thing is first to create a node. New equal to create a node with value x. Okay, now if position is given equal to 1, so I will start the numbering positions from 1 to, if there are n nodes, it will be n. If they give any number other than this, then it should be not inserted. So position equal to 1 means what? So I have to insert it at the head. That is the meaning. So it should be the first node. So you just call that insert at head function. Already I have written this insert head. So it will insert at head and then you return. That's it. Now else what should I do? I have to traverse till that point of previous value. So for example, I have circular linked list. See, the idea is same. Whatever you do, the singly linked list, inserting at a position, same thing. Only thing is the last, there is nothing like null pointer here. Okay. So let us say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is pointing to my head. So if I want to insert at any position, for example, say 3, so I have to take my current pointer till the second node so that I can insert new here, new node here. Okay. So how will you do this? While let us take current is equal to head initially, and then you have a count. Count will give me the position of the current traversal, which node I am currently at. So current, let us say, is equal to head, then count, let us start with 1. So count is equal to 1 initially. Now, so while, see, what is that I have to check? Here, there is nothing like null. I need not check current is equal to null. Okay, because I will traverse back to head. So that condition inside the loop only have to check whether I have reached the head or not. So in singly linked list, you have said current is not equal to null and position is less than something like count is less than position minus 1. Here, it is not possible. Current will never become null. Current will reach head. So how will you come to know I have reached the head? Because it's a circle. I don't know where I am present at this point. So every time when I move the current pointer, I have to check whether I have reached the head in the loop itself. Otherwise, I will never come to know whether I have reached the head or not, because there is nothing like null here. So the while loop will have only the count is less than position minus 1. Okay, why position minus 1? Because I want the previous node. So you just increment current equal to current dot next. Okay, then you increment count equal to count plus 1. Now this is not done. So here I have to check if this current is equal to head. If it has it become head after incrementing. So for example, current reached here. Okay, then inside the loop I made current equal to current dot next. So that means my current is actually pointing here. So that means what current is now at the head. So that means that I cannot insert it at this point of at this position, right? So that's why I have to say that it's an error. Okay, so if current equal to head, then it becomes as position 1. Okay, so print error invalid position. Invalid position. That means what if I give, for example, 6 as a position, what will happen in that case? So definitely it will rotate back. It will rotate back. In the singly linked list, there was current equal to null. So current will come here to the null. But here there is no null, no? So it will again come back to head. If position was given as 6, for example. So once it reaches the head, I should say that I have crossed the boundary. That is 1 to n is the range. Or crossed n. You cannot insert at n plus 1. Okay, that is the meaning. So and then return. You cannot insert. So if you want, you can free the node. So that is what we do in the while loop. So once I get the valid position, for example, now I want to insert here. So I get current equal to at the second node position second. So now I have to insert after this current. So now insertion is simple. Now I got say the current position previous node. New node is what where I have to insert between this node and this node, right? So you set the pointers. So new dot next has to point to current dot next. New dot next is equal to current dot next. So this link is created. Then you create current dot next to new. Current dot next equal to new. Okay. So this will set the no new node here. So this link will be removed. So I inserted at position 3. Now this becomes 4 and 5 like that. So this will also work if I want to insert at 5th position. Sorry, 4th. 4 means it will insert here. This 4 will pull out. Now if I give insertion at 5, 5 means I can still insert here. Okay, this still logic will work. So when I want to insert at 5th location, so where will be the current pointer? Current pointer will be pointing here. Then we will set new dot next is equal to current dot next. Current dot next is pointing to head. So it will set to head. Okay, it still works. Then current dot next you point it to new. So at this till this point I can insert. If I give 6, it will not work. Why? Because I am going to head again. So again the time complexity I am taking a loop. So it depends on the worst case. If the position is the last element, it is theta of n. Okay. So in the next video, we'll see the deletion in circular linked list. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.